What's going on, everybody? It's J Rich back again with another one, and today is a very special day for me. We get out of the garage, we're out of the truck, and we're going to my favorite CB shop. This is my go-to CB shop to get my radios worked on, buy coax, buy antennas. This is where I go, and I want to share it with you guys. This shop has been good to me over the years. I can honestly say that 100%. And want you guys to stay tuned in the upcoming weeks. We have got some Stryker videos coming up with the new version 2 of the 955. We're going to compare the version 1 and the version 2, also known as Gen 1 and Gen 2. And we've got a power cord upgrade for the Stryker that we're going to take a look at. Now, in the videos coming up with the Stryker power cord upgrade, we are going to be changing out the capacitor on the power side to a 4700 farad capacitor. And also, when you get a Stryker, you get this little wimpy power cord right here. We're changing it to this 10 gauge versus whatever this 14 gauge crap is. It's got like 10 strands. It's got like 90 million. It's awesome. So stay tuned for those Stryker videos coming up in the next few weeks. And let's go on ahead and take a tour and meet the owner of Atlantic Coast Communications, where I go to have my CB work done. But before we get into that video, go on ahead, hit the subscribe right down here in the corner. As always, a thumbs up and a comment is much appreciated. So let's get out of the garage. Let's go. All right, guys, here we are. One of my favorite CB shops, Atlantic Coast Communications, here in Atlanta, Georgia. Exit 12, I-285, right across from the Perto. I'm here with Leo. Leo, it's good to see you again, buddy.
Yes, sir. Nice to see you.
I appreciate you having us here. And so, me being a customer here, I can honestly put this video out there and back you guys up as y'all do great work.
Oh, we appreciate that.
So, just for my viewers and whoever else may be watching, can you tell us how long have y'all been here?
Okay. Yeah, so the company's been in operation since 1994. We took over in January of 2021, so we've been operating since then. I personally worked for the company for about 8 years before I took over, so it's been about 10 years I've been doing this. So we just keep moving forward, doing the same thing we've always done, trying to provide the same kind of service we always did when I was just an employee.
Gotcha. So you're definitely not leaving tomorrow and packing up, and nobody's going to be able to find you, right?
No, we don't drive around in a van.
You don't drive around in a van talking about $20 tune-ups?
No, sir. No, sir.
I know y'all don't. But so now you've got a great selection here.
Yeah.
You've got Connexes, you've got Strykers, you've got Cobra 29s. What else are you carrying?
Of course, we carry some Ranger radios, some Galaxies. We do carry the Bofang 2-meter radio. We don't really do much with that as far as setting it up or anything, but some of the guys have asked for them. Of course, we carry all of the antennas that you would need to set up a vehicle, coax. We do installations. We do some modifications, echo, talkback, variable power. Sometimes we do some power upgrades, things like that.
Okay, so if the driver comes over here to the Perto, he can park, come in, say, hey, my antennas are messed up, my coax is messed up. Y'all will gather your equipment and go to the truck and install right here.
Yes, we'll ask a few qualifying questions to kind of figure out, what do you actually need? Do you just need an SWR check and set? Does it sound like you need new antennas? Do you need coax? If you come in here with a 2000 Freightliner Classic and it's got the stock coax in it, we're going to highly recommend you put new coax in that vehicle. If you come in here with a 2022 Peterbilt, maybe we don't need to do that.
Okay, gotcha. So when a customer comes in and they're wanting to buy a 10-meter radio, what could they expect?
Well, one of the things they can expect is that they're going to get the radio peaked and tuned and channel converted at the price that we quote them. It's not like online or at some other shops where there's the one price to buy the radio and then these other things are add-ons. That's just part of doing the deal with us.
It's all in one package, one and done.
Right.
Okay.
Also, except for the Cobra 29s, in that Cobra 29s, or Cobra radios, should I say, in general, once you touch them, they have no warranty. But besides them, we don't do anything that would void your warranty on any of the other radios. You get a 3-year warranty from Stryker. We're not trying to mess that up.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good thing, because the driver might be on the other side of the country and now he needs warranty work.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so that is great news right there.
Some of you might have noticed that we're having issues across the nation with supply chains.
Yes,
right?
we have.
And for instance, for us, we were out of Stryker radios for months. And as soon as they came in, we bought as much as we could afford. We drained our bank account. So if you're looking for a Stryker radio, this is the place to come.
This guy's got them.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So here we are inside Atlantic Coast Communications, and you can see some of the stuff they have. They got frequency counters and dosimeters if you'd like to buy one. We've got Connex. Here's Cobra, Uniden. Of course, we got Strykers. Stryker's a great radio. It's a General HP 40 Galaxy. And this Ranger 99N4. Love that radio. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous radio. I got the X9s. Some handhelds for you hunters. RM Italy amps. External speakers. If you look for a mag mount, we've got Strykers, we've got Wilsons. There's a couple of amps right there. A couple of used radios in this cabinet. Got some antennas in stock. Francis. I love Francis on dump trucks. They really hold up. Firesticks. Even got some pink ones for the ladies. Hustler antennas. You know I'm a Hustler guy. We got the SCBs right here. Those are wonderful, wonderful antennas. Wilson's Monkey Maids right there. And over here we got Brownings, Strykers, various mounts, bird perches, Astatic microphones, Ranger microphones. Got your yo-yos, power cords. Got a little bit of everything you need here. Now, when Leo said that they about drained the bank account out with Stryker, look here. Look at the shelves full of, I mean, he bought everything he could. Plenty of X9s in stock. I know you guys like the X9s. General Lee's, Connex. So he's definitely got plenty in stock. There's not a shortage here. So more antennas, and more antennas in stock. All right, guys, there you have it. Atlantic Coast Communications. They do have 3 locations. There's 2 here in Georgia, the one being Atlanta, the other one being Cartersville, and there's a location in Virginia as well, correct?
Yes. So we have the location here in Atlanta, exit 12 off of 285 at the Perto. We have a location in Cartersville, as you stated. It's exit 295 or 296 off of I-75. And we also have off of exit 41 off of I-77 in Wytheville, Virginia. And that's a TA.
Wytheville, Virginia. So there you have it, guys. If you need radio, if you need install, if you need parts, antennas, check these guys out. Like I said, I've been coming here for years, and I've always been done right here. So I appreciate you guys watching. I'm Jay Rich. We'll catch you next time.